almost nobody knows what grab a spoon really means.
Welcome back to the world. Grab a spoon.
I'm making a full Friends playlist from the very first episode to the last. Subscribe to keep learning as new videos come out. Joey uses it as a metaphor for choosing a flavor of ice cream. A metaphor is saying something is something else to explain it without meaning it literally. For example, when we say time is money, we are using a metaphor. Alright, in this dialogue, grab a spoon means to choose a new person or new opportunity. Grab a spoon means go for it, take your chance, or put yourself out there. Does it change meaning in different contexts? For example, in dating, it means to go ask somebody out. Or in life decisions, it means to stop overthinking and act. Or imagine if someone is looking for a job, if you tell them, grab a spoon, it means to put your name in, don't wait. So we can say that it doesn't really change meaning in different contexts.
Welcome back to the world. Grab a spoon.
Grab a spoon.
I'm supposed to attach a brackety thing to the side things using
Attach means to connect two things together. For example, don't forget to attach your ID badge to your shirt. He is too attached to his old habits. I'm not attached to this idea. We can change it. And bracket is a small metal or plastic piece used to connect or support furniture parts. Adding y to a word makes it mean something like or kind of. And adding y to bracket means something like a bracket.
I'm supposed to attach a brackety thing to the side things.
She always drank it out of the can. I should have known. She always drank it out of the can. I should have known.
To drink something out of something means drinking a beverage directly from its container, a container like a can. And a beverage is a drink of any type. So, she always drank her beer out of the can, never using a glass.
She always drank it out of the can. I should have known.
Oh God. You got screwed.
Oh my god.
Oh God. You got screwed.
Oh my god.
Oh God. You got screwed.
Oh my god.
You got screwed means you lost, you were cheated, things turned out unfairly for you, or someone took advantage of you. It means that you ended up in a bad situation because of someone else. For example, it's used when you pay too much for something. The mechanic charged you 300 for that? You got screwed. Or someone lied or broke a promise. They said the job was full time, but it's only 10 hours a week. Oh, you got screwed.
Oh God. You got screwed.
Oh my god.
Guess I should have caught on when you started going to the dentist 4 and 5 times a week. Guess I should have caught on when you started going to the dentist 4 and 5 times a week.
I should have caught on means I should have realized or I should have understood what was really happening. To catch on means to finally understand something that wasn't obvious at first. That wasn't easy to see or easy to understand at first. It wasn't clear. For example, it took me a while, but I finally caught on to the joke. She never caught on that they were making fun of her. He talks fast, but you'll catch on eventually. I didn't catch on until the end of the movie.
Guess I should have caught on when you started going to the dentist 4 and 5 times a week.
My brother's going through that right now. He's such a mess. My brother's going through that right now. He's such a mess. My brother's going through that right now. He's such a mess.
Going through something means experiencing something difficult, usually emotional, financial, or personal problems. For example, she's going through a breakup. He's going through a tough time at work. The family is going through a stressful period. She's going through the same thing you went through. He's such a mess means that he's not doing well. Everything is out of control or his life is very chaotic. Chaotic means very disorganized and out of control.
My My brother's going through that right now. He's such a mess. My brother's going through that right now. He's such a mess.